We're gonna show you guys a project that we created for a local cafe in California. And this is kind of my creative brief. And one of my favorite things to do is do the naming for a restaurant. So here was our list, and we had some fun ones. We had everything from Stack Cafe, Griddle Groove. One of the owner's names was Billy. So when we put Little Billy's on there, that became the one. I had this idea that we knew it was gonna be like this cozy mid-century kind of vibe. We're gonna jump into like Firefly. I just put that in here. I call it the gut check. If you can give them something like this while you're in that infancy stage of talking, imagine being able to give them this.
Yeah.
And they're like, yes, this is what we initially were doing. So to me, it was just about kind of finding those little ways to kind of like, does it work better this way? I just love these open canvases when you're kind of like exploring. This was kind of what the final pieces were that we presented. But see, here's like a nice run across. The name and the title, solo logo in just black and white. Then just to kind of bring it to life,
So fun.
let's give it some color options, right? And then gotta show it like on a window.
Yeah.
And then these were the images that we made in Firefly, and we did it for each different one there. And now we had to do some mock-ups, so let's have some fun. I'm gonna take this one, and we're gonna do a retro white coffee mug on a table. So let's see what this creates us. So now we want the focal point to be more of a mug. And look at this one.
Yeah.
I think that's our one. And we'll bring it over here, and look at the, it's like, sometimes I laugh and go, it created that in like seconds. It's like super high resolution. Select both the type and your image, and you're gonna go all the way down here to mockup beta and say make. It will understand that there is some curvature, but you can see it did a cool little thing there. This was the winner. All we have to do is with this ungrouped, I'm gonna take the Billy guy here. For me, if we need a stacked one, I'm gonna start with that one. We'll just do something really quick. The cool thing too is you can kind of go in here, and I'm gonna do this on a arc here.
Yeah.
They always want just the word mark one alone. So we'll copy this over, and I'm gonna build all of these. And what it kind of ends up looking like is this piece here.
Out.
So then came this, they were coming up with this idea that we were gonna do a menu board. And so basically what I'm gonna do is kind of do my cool little checkerboard thing here. So you're literally just kind of dragging and doing that, selecting both, getting it right on the point, and then the magic happens by hitting Command D. All of a sudden, this font kind of starts working again here. So we had this little area here, and what we were thinking was like, take Billy. It's like Billy's little like signatures throughout the restaurant. We were looking good. We had that logo lockup done, and went right into doing some merch. To me, this made a perfect idea to make like for a hat. And this is where the mockup feature works really great. So I've got my vector on top. This is literally just a JPEG.
Okay.
And if I select both, mockup beta, there we go. Check this out. As you kind of move this, like look at this.
Wow.
But look at how good the perspective is. These were the little window graphics that I came up with. So in cases like this, we get the dimensions. I'll just literally start building them, and this is when you have that logo ready to go, and we're saying, okay, maybe this would be a great sign. We do the align tool, which is obviously our favorite. You just kind of center it, and boom, you know, you've got it. I figured we can make some socials. Express is your best friend there, because what you can do is you could set your whole brand up there. So what I did here is in the brand, I have Little Billy's, and I can share this with them, okay? So this is like having an online style guide for your brand. What we can do is we can go in social media. I'm gonna go like diner. So we go to brand. There we are. Look at this, guys.
Oh man.
How easy is this? So here's a new setting. You can actually create like little mini sites. This is literally a web page template that is in Express.
Think about everything that you showed us with that brand guideline in this vertical format.
Exactly.
That is gonna blow any client's mind.
I can say the creating delicious memories. Look how easy this is, guys. I'm literally just like
chopping
creating
it from your
this
library.
Exactly. It's so nice. So I'm gonna go into our actual images, and we had, there we go.
Yeah.
My favorite thing was our to-go bag. There's our fun little sign, and there's our outside one.
It really does pull from that original Firefly image, right?
It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Pretty cool, right?
Thanks
we did it, bro.
We did it. We built a brand.
Bye, guys.
Bye.